Dudes and dudettes, I got a pretty funny one for you today. We have a local guy that called the cops for some assistance, and he sure got it. I got this from Columbus Police Body Cam. I'm going to put a link to the whole video down in the description. It's quite long, but I cut it down to 4 or 5 minutes. So let's see what we got here. Dear friends, this is just a friendly reminder. Next time you need some crystal meth, make sure you know who your dealer is, because this poor unfortunate young man went to somebody he didn't know, and it seems like the guy stole his money, so he calls 911.
Columbus Police, Tech 107.
Yes, I just gave this guy $25 to buy me a crystal meth, and he ran in his house, didn't come out, and I don't want to do nothing that's irrational, but
yeah,
either dude gonna give me my money or something gonna happen. So
yeah, what's the address? And what's your name?
And my name is...
I'm sorry, what was it?
Pierre.
Pierre?
Yeah, Pierre.
Can you spell it for me?
Pierre.
As you can hear, it's so easy to lose all that money you got at the pawn shop for some hijacked car stereos that it's not funny. I mean, this guy lost his whole entire fortune, $25. I mean, let's see how he deals with this situation.
So someone robbed you?
Yeah. Black dude said that he know where to get some ice from, and she said that she liked to smoke it. So, because I'm trying to show her a good time, is I was going to my pocket to get dude money, and then the fuck.
So you guys were going to buy drugs?
Yeah. Don't lie to this man. Don't lie, because it'll be fucked up. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, young man, for being honest with the police officer and telling your girlfriend there or your hoe never lie to the police. You know, this is probably going to work out in your favor.
Okay.
Flat out. There's no need to sugarcoat what's going on. I tell her let me talk for a reason.
All right.
And dude ran in his house, never came out. So. Yeah, something going on. Oh, yeah. What's going on? Thanks for talking to us. No problem.
Do you see what just a little bit of honesty with the police will do for you? They went over to the guy's house. They went in. They had a conversation with him and his roommate and his roommate's daughter or whoever it was, and you know, it's all going to work out for you, buddy.
Yeah, she hit my house with that stick. I started to call you guys myself, so I did.
Are you positive it was that house? Because I was just in there, walked around. There was nobody in there that matched that description. These guys, there's 2 old guys that live there, and they said they didn't had anyone run into their house.
I know, man. But that's
was it a house? Was it a house nearby? Maybe you thought it was that one because down the alley. I mean,
now trust me, I was on Southern Cypress, so you can really take this alley and cut through a parking lot of that little building thing. It's a church right here in the parking lot. I just cut through the parking lot and watched, dude.
Okay.
I'm not watching clear as day.
Okay. Well, like I said, I was in there. There was 2 old guys, and I guess his buddy's girlfriend was in there. So those were the only people in that house. Okay. So I'll take down your info. Yep. All right. I'll get you a port number and whatnot.
Thank you.
And where do you stay at?
I live at that shelter.
Van Buren?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Honestly.
Well, maybe I know it's kind of a silly thing to say, but probably ixnay on the UGG drays there for a while. All right, maybe find a way to attract women that don't need acquired such a taste.
I know.
No, he even gives the young man some sound advice on how to pick up chicks, you know, and he even speaks Pig Latin, so it seemed like the guy understood him. So the guy's obviously educated. You know, the guy trying to buy the meth is obviously educated. But this officer went out of his way, above and beyond, checked out the situation for him. I haven't watched the end of this yet. There's only a couple minutes left, so I think everything's going to work out, and this young man has learned a valuable lesson today.
What's your name, man?
Pierre Williams, Pierre Williams.
Birthday?
6/21/89.
That's $25.
Yes, sir.
I got the description. 5'10", 150. Had a little beardish kind.
Yeah.
Champion backpack.
Nah, blue champion hoodie, black
Blue Champion.
black backpack, black pants.
Okay.
Black
Blue
guy.
Champion hoodie.
Is it black guy you said?
Yup, black guy.
How about skin tone? Dark, light?
Dark, real
dark?
dark. Like
Okay.
black.
Okay.
I
All right.
definitely
Well,
didn't
let
look like anybody in that.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Right there, my man.
I'm gonna put it in my wallet, man.
Yeah. Try to find better places to hang out too, because you'll need someone out here. 49 doing 49 stuff.
Yes, I love these horses. All right,
Well,
man. All right. Sorry.
Don't leave them alone too. They're gonna get you.
I know, man.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
They can get you some kind of disease that you can't shake off.
Thank you.
Can you believe what you just saw and heard? The officer responds to a guy that went to buy some bad stuff, and he actually cooperated with the guy, told him the truth. He went and investigated the situation, went back and told the guy, you know, stay away from the hobes, you might catch something. Gave him a lot of fatherly advice, and never was anybody put in torture cuffs. Nobody was arrested. Nobody got beat up. Nobody got thrown in a dungeon. It was, you know, just another day in the neighborhood, I guess. Actually, I can't believe the cop went along with the whole thing, but I thought it was pretty funny. Anyway, wouldn't want to be either one of those guys, I'll tell you what. Y'all have a great day. Love y'all. Bye.